Want to dive deeper into the details of a specific decor? Let's explore the Decor Information feature in the Kronodesign app. Start by opening the Decor List tab and clicking on your decor of choice. Here, you'll find essential details, such as a brief description of the decor, its type, collection, texture, and product availability. As you browse through the available textures, the product list updates automatically to show which products feature the selected decor in the chosen texture. The default product texture is the first one you see. For unique colors from our Feel This collection, there's more. Click the blue reverse button between the decor and texture images to see the texture on the front and back of the board. And if you want a closer look, tap on the decor image to view a detailed fragment of the full board. With the Decor Information feature, you have everything you need to make informed design choices at your fingertips. Start browsing today. Kronodesign app is free for iOS and Android.